visitors to Macau flock to Senado Square and the ruins of St. Paul's. But it's well worth exploring the historic St. Lazarus Quarter, originally built as a residential area for Chinese Catholics. Away from the crowds, lose yourself in another time and place as you wander this charming neighborhood named for its landmark church, which has served the local community for hundreds of years. And the one we see today was rebuilt in the late 19th century. Just up the street, two majestic camphor trees grace the courtyard of Albergue SCM, a small creative hub run by Macanese architect Carlos Marreiros. Albergue SCM compromises an art gallery with changing exhibitions, a restaurant serving Portuguese classics like peri-peri grilled chicken and seafood rice stew, and a nostalgic store called Loja Portuguesa. This lovely shop sells a range of artisanal products from Portugal, like tinned sardines, assorted jam, port wine, and handmade soap. Why not pick out a few souvenirs to take home? Carlos Marreiros was the chief architect behind nearby Tap Shack Square, the largest public space in Macau. This cobbled square hosts pop-up markets and public art displays. Its colorfully painted buildings are home to cultural venues like the Macau Central Library and Tap Shack Gallery, which takes up a restored mansion from the 1920s. And if you want to commune with nature, Lulim Lock Garden is a must-see. It was once a private estate belonging to local merchant Lu Cao, who had it modeled after the famous classical Chinese garden of Suzhou. These days, the public park is popular with local residents. Some practice Tai Chi here, others admire the whipping willows and bamboo, and stroll across a winding bridge over the lily pond. It's just a place to rest your feet after walking through Macau's charming St. Lazarus Quarter. There's more to Macau.